to
To
the 199?
the 199 has 11, so you get 12 additional stitches.
I want to see that.
What I'll do is turn the dial to the feather stitch S in a wide width, and the center stitch pulls down in the ditch, making the stitch look hand sewn. This is the same stitch. And you can see the way that it really is supposed to be sewn. The center stitch pulls down in the ditch, making it look hand sewn. Right there, stitch in the ditch. So I'll pass that out.
I like that. The arrow points that way.
Is there another little piece of denim? I'll sew it on here.
You have to start cutting your pants up.
I know. I'll sew it on this little piece here. This is a turkey track stitch, which is another decorative quilting stitch. This is a blanket stitch for edging around a quilter blanket. And this is a
I keep missing you.
That's okay.
turkey track. This is a honeycomb stitch. That's the honeycomb, triple zigzag. It sews over each stitch 3 times, giving you a much thicker look on a zigzag. But on this side here are a few of the stitches off of that model. This one does have the needle threader, and to operate that you just pull a lever down, place a thread in front of the needle, and that threads the needle for you.
Oh, yes.
And this one comes with this kit here, and in the kit there's a lot of accessories. Sort of slipped out of the spot. This is a straight stitch 1/4 inch quilting foot. This is a walking foot, stippling foot.
Hiding down there.
Yeah, there's another one under here. This is a appliquing foot. This one. Stippling foot. This is a rolled hem and a cording foot, twin needle. So I want to use those too if I can.
These all come with it?
Yeah,
that
with this one here.
What's the price
Oh,
of
I'm
that?
sorry. It's okay.
You get a motor with the first one?
There's something in there I was looking for. Thank you.
This is the 129, sorry. That's the one.
Yeah. Down, back up, back down, and I'm gonna take out this needle.
Get that?
Yeah. Down, back up.
Down. Yeah, I do it so fast. Let's see. The twin needle, what you do, you can put a second spool pin up here that it comes with. Flat side's going to go to the back. It won't thread the twin needle.
Oh, shucks.
Yeah, unfortunately, but what I'll do is thread those real quick. Yes, one needle with 2 little prongs on it.
You use 2 separate threads.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 separate threads.
And you said the other thread would go up on top somewhere? You have to have that thing behind it.
There's a spool pin that comes with it, so you can use 2 small spools.
Okay.
All right. And now I'm going to drop the feed dogs. You just drop it. There's a little lever in the back. And here's the spool pin. Which is
Okay.
that,
Yeah,
like
the
that.
other one up there. I'm sure thread's down in there.
With the twin needle, you don't want to go past 4 on the zigzag because it's stitching a little wider with that twin needle. So I'm just going to tighten this down. And on here, I've got plenty of them.
He said he had lots.
Yeah, I've got lots outside.
Yeah.
Right.
Keep demonstrating, we'll go check them out.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Use the right pedal here. I'm monogramming with the twin needle to show you how it'll look. Its main purpose is for hemming t-shirts. Yeah, basically.
Will that show just a straight line also?
Yeah. But you can write names. See, that's with the twin needle. I did that off the first one with a.
No, it was that one.
It was this one. It was this one. Yeah, it was that one. This is the 129. But you add the foot, which is $19.95, or you can add the cutter for $49.95. The second one will come with the cutter and the monogram foot for $199. And the third machine for $299 comes with the cutter and then all these little specialty feet for $299.
That special donation, that.
On that one.
Yeah, of the first one. But you can, there's a one-step buttonhole on this one as well. So it's going to be easier to make a buttonhole. You don't have to go through the 4 steps or measure anything on this model.
You just have to get rid of the twin needles, or you keep.
Yeah, get rid of the twin needle. See, this one threads itself, which is nice. The needle that was in there. Oh, there it is. All right, flat side goes to the back. Tighten it back down. I'm gonna pull the lever down for the needle threader.
You did this one on here.
And then I'll raise the teeth back up here.
They didn't come up. Did they come up?
Yeah, they're up. You have to turn the hand wheel.